Hi guys, I'm gonna show you a quick breakfast, Indian breakfast. Oh well, you can do it the way how you want it, but few ingredients, a quick breakfast fills up for the whole day. Okay, I'm gonna do an egg bhurji, which is an egg dish with potatoes, onion, tomato, chilies, whatever you want to put, a little bit of coriander if you have, chilies, turmeric powder, salt, pepper. That's it. I'll switch it on to the pan and you can see what I mean. Okay, we got some potatoes over here, finely diced. So drop them in the pan with the oil. So that goes in. We've had the finely diced potatoes inside in the pan with the oil. And now we add some onion. Put the onion to that. Add some green chilies as well. Just a little bit of green chilies. And slightly saute them for a couple minutes. Saute for a couple minutes. Now we're gonna add some tomatoes. The onions have been sauteing with the potatoes for about a minute now. Just over a minute, sorry. Put the tomatoes into that. Remember, this is like an Indian scrambled egg recipe. So you got some bit of potato, tomato, onions, chilies to it, with some salt, pepper, and now we add some turmeric powder to that. A little bit of turmeric powder. Yeah, turmeric powder. Quickly there. A little bit of salt. I recommend you to put some salt now while you have the potatoes, because the potatoes absorb the salt quickly there. Okay. Saute for another minute, and by that time I'm going to beat 2 eggs. I've got the 2 eggs slightly beaten up. Okay, add it to it. Okay, I'll give it a stir. See, told you that's like a scrambled egg consistency. Slow heat. Okay, keep stirring. I know some of you will not enjoy the dish till you eat it. You gotta eat it to enjoy it. So I like it a little bit runnier rather than overcooked. But it's better, some people like it nicely cooked all the way through. Fair enough, that's your choice. You want to enjoy that, because I like it on the toast. So I've got my toast coming ready, but that's good, it's getting there. Okay, just a high heat. That's it, let me grab the toast. That's my toast. High heat, turn it off. Give it a good mix. Then what I do is add that onto the toast. Right, there you go. Quick Indian scrambled egg, call it egg bhurji, onto a toast. Breakfast done. Enjoy, guys. I hope you do that, and throw out some comments to say if you've liked it, or if you want me to do something for breakfast differently. Can't wait to see your comments. Take care. Goodbye.